Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be telling you guys how you can display your game activity in Discord. Now this is really easy, but before I start, I need to remind you guys that Discord should be installed on your laptop to make this work. This would not even work on Android or iOS. Now I'm just gonna brief you out on how to download Discord. So if you have Discord opened up on your browser, so this is it. You can go on to download apps and then select the OS you're on and download and press the download button. Now I already have Discord downloaded, so I'm just gonna launch it right here. And what you need to do first is go on to settings, and then under the app settings you will see something called game activity. Now you would not obviously get this option in browser, and that's the reason you need to install it. So after you've gone on to game activity, what you need to do is first check this box which says display currently running game as a status message. So whatever game you're playing will be displayed as your status to the other people seeing your profile. Now the second thing is to launch a game. So for example, I'm just gonna launch Roblox right here, and Discord just automatically detects that I am playing Discord, and you can just change its name to whatever you want, or like toggle overlay or something if you're in a voice channel. But sometimes this can happen that they might not detect your game. So what you need to do for that, I'm just gonna cancel this, and they're just saying no game detected even though over here Roblox is running. So what you need to do then is go on to add it option and then click on this arrow key. Then it will just show all the programs running in your computer, and now you can just go on to the desired app that you want it to display. So I'm just gonna select Roblox, and then I'll press on add game, and now that it's done. So that's all. If you guys have any queries or why this is not working for you, you can obviously ask them down in the comments below. So that's it for this video, guys. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. You ain't got nothing to do if you stayed home.